Have you ever wanted your sourdough to also be a lamp? Well, guess what? This video's for you. To make my sourdough lamp, the first thing I did was hollow out the bread. Then I let it dry and poured resin on the inside and outside, covering all surfaces to prevent any ants. I started this project before I knew how to do the lamp portion, so obviously I had a meltdown. In my hour of despair, I took myself to IKEA. It solved all my problems. Finally, I cut a hole in the cork, added the puck light, glued it down, and glued it to the bottom of the bread. And that's the end of the project. I am so excited with how this bread lamp turned out. I cannot wait to place it all over my house in the most annoying places possible because everybody needs to see this. And if you like this video and you want to see the longer version of it, I do have a full-length video on my YouTube channel. Check it out.
See ya.